Hello, this video is going to show you how to submit your video and film scoring and narration project that we have here at ldb10.com, Audio Engineering and Music Production Program. I've had a number of questions lately as to how to submit this project. The LDB assignment template that we currently have does not really accommodate the film project. So I need to show you how to submit video through the ePortfolio system. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into homerecordinghelp.net. And once you get there, you're going to see that the page has had a little bit of a facelift, but you can still find the ePortfolio setting. It's going to be up in the top right section of the page where it says Network Servers. Go ahead and click on ePortfolio. And then once you do that, a lot looks the same as it did. In the middle of the page here, where you see the words organize and showcase your portfolio, you'll have the option to either click on the images in the middle of that section, or just go ahead and click on the word pages. The next page that you go to, all you have to do is go over here where it says copy a page and go ahead and click that button. And then you'll see a few options here. You'll see the old LDB assignment page, which is still what you want to use for audio and MP3 projects. But then you will also see this new LDB video project page. And you'll just want to select copy page on the LDB video project page. Once that is done, it's going to take you to a page that looks real similar to the other assignment page, but there's some different options this time. And the first thing you want to do is go over and name your video or film. So you just click on the configure button and you're going to name the 2 to 3 minute film clip or video clip that you selected. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Once you do that, click save. All right. The next thing you're going to do is enter your program level, what level you're in our engineering program. And this is going to be level 1, 2, or 3. And of course, at this time, you definitely know what level you are at. And then you're going to have 2 options for uploading video. The first option we'll look at is the second option, which says external video. And you'll use this option if you've already uploaded your video to YouTube or to Vimeo or one of those types of video websites. And you can click on the configure button. And right here, you're going to input your video URL. And typically on YouTube, when you have put a video up, if you look up in the top bar here, the URL bar, this is what you're going to copy. You're going to copy all this information here. And then you're going to paste it in this video URL section on your ePortfolio. And then you have the option to indicate the size. And I'm going to go ahead and put 375 in for my width. And I'll go ahead and save that. All right. Now, once you've done that, you'll see your video right there. And again, if you've selected that option, then you're good to go. You've got your video already. Another option is to select your video file for downloading, which is this first option here. And to do this, again, click on the configure button there. And then, this is if your file is sitting on your computer. If you got it on your computer, you just go here and where it says upload file, I just clicked right in that bar. Or you could click on browse and you just locate your video and simply click on the word open. And once you do that, the video will upload to your ePortfolio. Keep in mind that the larger this video is, the longer it will take to upload. Typically, you want to have a video file probably of 40 or 50 megabytes or less if you use this option. Everybody has a portfolio that can accommodate 150 megabytes of data. But usually for this project, if you want to have a real efficient upload, you really want that video to be, 40 to 50 megs or less. And if it is an MP4, which typically everyone's video has started out as an MP4, it should be small enough. Now, in some cases, I've talked to students who have tried to upload this assignment using the old LDB assignment page. And it didn't work out too well because that page will only allow you to embed audio files. Now, those students who have attempted to do that, when you go through this video page, you'll most likely see that your file is in your folder. If you look at this home section, once you attempt to upload the video, you'll see that file sitting there because even though it didn't embed in the audio page, it's still uploaded. And if you see that, all you have to do is go over and hit select, and you see that your file is all ready to be shared. Then you hit save, and it'll be sitting right here. And this option here allows myself or the other instructors to actually download your movie to our computer and watch it that way. And of course, the YouTube option allows us to watch the film right in the page. Either way is fine. I think it is cool to have YouTube sites because then you're able to showcase a lot of the work that you do, and there are a lot of people on YouTube. But again, if you don't have a YouTube site or if you just want to upload it the other way, just go ahead and use this first option here. Now, to get ready to wrap up this assignment, you want to go over here to edit title and description. And where it says page title, once again, you're going to input the title of that video or film that you have scored and hit save. Remember to hit save so that what you typed in is reflected here at the top of the page. And then the last thing you'll do is go to display page. And this will give you an idea of what that page is going to look like once you submit it. And here you should see your video if you use the YouTube option, or the file if you select your file for downloading. And if everything looks okay to you, go ahead and hit submit at the bottom of the page. This will take you to the very final step, which will say to you, if you submit your project, you won't be able to edit it until it has been marked or given feedback. And at this point, if you are all done and you don't need to do any editing, go ahead and click yes. And that's it. You will get a message that says your page is submitted and you'll be all good to go. So I hope you found this video useful. I certainly look forward to seeing all of the film and video projects that everyone has been working on. And we're going to have a great movie night to be able to watch what everybody has prepared. All right. Take care. We'll see you in class.